Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. If you're returning, I appreciate it so much. And if you're new, I hope you'll choose to subscribe and we'll see more of you. So today I have the February Fashionsta box. Yep, I said it, February. Nope, I haven't been holding it. I just got it. They are going through some changes over there and our boxes are coming late, but they have said to us that by summer they hope to get them out within 5 to 10 days of billing. So we will be hopeful for that, but it's such a good box. I don't mind that all my boxes don't come at the same time, so let's get in here and see what I've got. So another beauty of the box by Fashionsta is they don't put out a lot of spoilers. So you don't know way in advance everything that's going to be in the box. I have seen a couple of things, but most of it is a surprise. It is, if you sign up now, $24.99 per month. A lot of times there are brands that are different than we get in all of our other boxes, so it's just a nice, different box. Also, something I should address before we go any further. I am pre-taping this, so by the time you see this, the giveaway will have already ended. But you guys, I'm almost at 5K and then it'll be time for another giveaway. So I kind of can't wait to start that one. Plus, because I do an extra entry on, if you follow me on Insta, put me over 500 on Insta. So I'm going to do a giveaway over there too, and it's going to be international. So when I open this up, that is what the inside looks like. And right on top, we have our the box card. One side tells us what we've received. The other side tells us about the box and the good that they do. And we'll cover that in a second too. And then when I open it up, this is what it looks like. Oh, look. It's got pretty flower petals in it. That is, look how pretty, guys. That is so sweet. I love that. I love that they took the extra time to do that. Let me tell you a little bit about this. You're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. I just think it's fantastic. So this says right off the top that the value of my box is $152. And that is fantastic for a $19.99 or $24.99 if you've signed up recently box. Reaching right in, I hate to mess up these pretty petals. Right on top, I have Z-Skin Nighttime Eye Cream, 100% organic skincare. And that is what that looks like. And this is a full fluid ounce. And the paperwork says that Z-Skin Nighttime Eye Cream is a $24 value. It is an organic ancient remedy that helps reduce fine lines, crow's feet, and dark circles, and helps reduce the signs of aging to restore a youthful appearance for your eyes. It is vegan and cruelty-free. And very, very near the top of the ingredient list on this is grapefruit. I'm allergic to grapefruit. I know, I'm the only weirdo on the face of the earth allergic to licorice and grapefruit. Also green peppers, but like I've said in the past, that just doesn't come up much in cosmetics. Oh, shrimp. Okay, we're sharing now. Too much information? Okay, next I have the Real Her I Am the Best matte lipstick. That is what that looks like. And it is in, I said that, I Am the Best. So I Am the Best, this big is actually the name of the flavor. Color. Oh, it's really pretty packaging. It's like a matte black with rose gold. That is so, so pretty. I love that. Wouldn't you just love, if you were out and just, the inside is rose gold. Oh, the color is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I will for sure use that. Let's swatch this baby. Oh, it's very pretty. It is matte though. It is absolutely matte. That is something that I will have to put a lip gloss over. That is so pretty. Looks really nice with my skin tone. I love it when it works like that. Let us see what the paperwork says about this gorgeous stuff. Real Her matte lipstick, $18. Light in weight and high in pigment, a long-lasting formula infused with jojoba seed oil to create a matte finish that does not dry out the lips, vegan and cruelty-free. That is very pretty. Next I have, oh, this is a mess. It's only a mess. This is what it is. It is the Jet Hydrating Skincare. And it's only a mess because their little shred is black. And this is just the, oh, I just put lipstick on it now. Genius. I was trying to wipe it off. Well, the only downside to that is now if I can't wear it, I can't give it away because I've managed to get lipstick all over the top. Luckily, my mother or my daughter will want it if I don't. Okay, this is a big bottle of super hydrating skincare all-in-one jet serum, and it is 30 ml. So the paperwork says Double Dare is the brand. Does it say? Oh, it does say that down here. Double Dare is the brand, and it's the all-in-one jet serum, $38. Use in place of a toner and moisturizer. Interesting. To effectively boost hydration, protect, and revitalize the skin. Infused with cactus fruit, shielding the skin against environmental stress and to replenish moisture. Instantly absorbs, leaving the skin soft and subtle. I'm going to look online real quick and see if this is something I can use before I take the lid off. I found it, and while there are a lot of words that I cannot tell you what they mean or probably even say them, none of them are words I am allergic to. So when we take it out, it is a white drop. Boop. I'm so glad that I can use this since I made such a mess of the top. Oh, it just smells very clean, slightly floral. It must have had fragrance in it. I didn't notice that, but it's very nice smelling. I would absolutely try that on my face. It seems to be absorbing. It seems to be absorbing nicely. It's not like drying. It's just, it feels really nice. I'm anxious to try that on my face. I don't think I will be replacing my moisturizer with it. I think it will be an additional step, you know, because they said you could replace your moisturizer. I don't think I can, but it is moisturizing. So if you didn't have dry skin, you could replace your moisturizer. All right, next I have the NCLA Watermelon 100% Natural Lip Scrub. That is nice, right? It's called Sugar Sugar. Let's open this baby up. It also has black shred all over the box that, I mean, it's not just on the box, it's like stained the box. So I know black is their thing, but I might suggest a lighter color. And inside, actually it looks like the shred has gotten inside too. Yeah, because it's just wiping off. Anyway, NCLA Beauty Sugar Sugar Lip Scrub. And it's watermelon. Well, we are definitely getting in here, but let's see what the paperwork says. NCLA Watermelon Sugar Scrub, $16. 100% natural lip scrub that cleanses, gently exfoliates, hydrates, and brightens the lips. Formulated with beet sugar, cocoa butter, agave nectar, and sugar, it gently exfoliates while vitamin C and E hydrate and brighten for the sweetest lips. Also vegan and cruelty-free. You know, I was just reading the back of this. They told us what they told us on the paperwork, but I was just reading the back of this, you know, because before I open things, guys, I like to be sure it's something I can use, because if I can pass it on to you, I want to be able to do that. And they didn't even talk about some of the fun ingredients. There's also maple syrup in here and watermelon extract. Oh, look how bright it is. Oh my gosh. That is so... Actually, in all fairness, it doesn't smell like watermelon. It smells like the scent of when they're making things smell like watermelon, which is just as good to me. Oh, it smells just like summer. Put just a little bit on my hand. You guys can see. It's gritty, but it's not super obnoxious. I had some Dirty Lamb. Is that? I'm saying that out loud, and saying Dirty Lamb sounds weird, but that's what it was, right? Anyway, that was really chunky, but this is just light sugar. Like, it turned my hand a little pinkish where I used it up in here. Oh, it smells fantastic. It smells just like summer. Oh, love it. Reaching in next, I have the Real Her You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. Well, there you go. That's fun. Well, let's see what the paperwork says, and then we'll get into it. The Real Her You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette is $38. A collection of 6 cheek blushes for every occasion, ranging from delicate corals and refined lavenders to brazen warm cheeks. This airy, light texture gives the perfect flush of color to the skin with its mixture of mattes and low sheen finishes, cruelty, paraben, and talc free. Well, let's open this box up. It is sealed. That's another thing that I love about this box, is everything comes in its retail packaging, so it doesn't feel like just leftovers. You know what I mean? It feels like real product, and it's all sealed. I just love that. Oh, after that whole speech about how awesome it is, I have a crushed color. I don't want to tilt it too much because I don't want that to end up all over my table. Oh my goodness. Well, as luck would have it, it is not a color I could have worn. So if I can get it cleaned up and out of here, that's probably just what I will do. But the other colors are very nice. I'm going to just touch a couple of the other colors. This nice pink up top that I think I could wear. Oh, it has really great color. That's super pretty. And let's try this coral down here on the bottom right next to it. Oh, and it's one of the ones with a sheen. See how it's right here and it has a sheen? So these are lovely colors and absolutely wearable. And like I said, the one that broke is not a color. I wish I could bend this back so I could show you without. But it's a beige color that I never could have worn anyway. So I'll probably just clean it out and use the palette like it. There's no point in them sending me another one, especially when it's a color I can't use. Okay, reaching in, I think last, looks like it's it. I have a Babella Champagne Kisses. I don't know what this is. That is what it looks like. I'm going to guess that it's an eyeshadow palette. This says Champagne Kisses, $18. Get ready to look fancy while sipping on your favorite champagne with these 16 beautiful shades of warm tones and pops of color. Cruelty-free. We'll slide this right out of here. Hope this is ship-shape. Yep. Oh. I mean, it was when it got here. No, it's still fine. These are really pretty colors. I'm going to leave. See how that looks? It's so pretty. I'm not going to swatch this because, as you guys can tell, other than these gorgeous purples right here, which ultimately might be what draw me in, they are really warm colors. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep this. I might pass it along, so I don't want to even take that plastic off the top. And that is what we got in our Fashionsta box for February. I know it's March and it did just arrive, but they're a new company, they're making changes, and I don't mind. I paid $19.99 for this. If you signed up now, it would be $24.99. But anyway you look at it, it's still a good deal. This is $18. This, which now that I've taken the plastic off, I don't want to tilt, was $38. We got this nice NCLA lip scrub, the Jet Serum that feels fantastic. I'm very happy about. Oh, this gorgeous Real Her lip and the Z-Skin eye cream. That's really good for $19.99, isn't it, guys? I think so. Let me know below what you guys think. And let me know below also if you've tried this Jet Serum. Did you like it? Thank you guys so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon.